Okay, this is part 3. We got thunder. I heard thunder noise right now. You guys hear it? It's raining right now, I know. It's raining right now. Yes, I know it's raining, but it's cold. And I gotta get inside the truck. I'm gonna get inside the vehicle. I know the line, but it's right here somewhere. It's been raining like this all day. It's getting heavier. Okay, it's coming around my vehicle. I know there is thunder noise out there because I know there's some lightning strikes in my way of showing up. Told me there's a hailstorm there. And I do not think it's not hail, it's just rain. See more? Let's put thunder right there. Maybe I think the storm probably dies out. Okay, going inside. Oh, the door's shut already. I don't know, the door's shut already. There you go. Well, was that lightning? That might be lightning right there. Okay, I don't know if that was lightning or not, but I think it was. Okay. Very well, battery. Okay, I gotta go. Wait a minute, I gotta do some more parts tonight, cause Weather Channel said we're in the dark red. Means severe weather is in nighttime. So I'm not soaking wet. Ugh. I gotta wash inside real fast. Stay tuned for more updates. I don't know who the heck is that. I don't know who the heck is that over there, but talking so loud down there. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, the batteries went down.